Hi, this is Dave with the Stock and Options room of the ShadowTrader Live Trading Suite. And today I want to take a look at a name in the crude oil space. So I thought I'd start off by taking a look at crude oil itself. So what we've seen lately is that it's come in close to a recent bottom. And so if I can draw a trend line in right in through about here, you can see there's this prior low back from the end of last year that we just retested. It went below, put in a new 52-week low. But I'm looking at a daily chart. So basically it spent one day down there and now it's back above. So I thought it might be appropriate to take a look at one name in the space that could be a potential setup here and might be one you want to take an eye on. So this is a master limited partnership. May not be a name you're super familiar with, but it's Plains All American. And if I just grab, say, this much of the chart, then what I can see pretty much right away is that, there's some old resistance and some recent support right around here. And it also had earnings happen, so earnings is out of the way. A little bit of a move down to retest that level. And then more recently, if I just zoom in on this area here, so post earnings, what we can see is that we had this hammer-like candle here, and then after that, this level pretty much right in here has been acting as some support. So right around 17 bucks, has been support since earnings. We've been testing it the last couple days. And then taking a look at yesterday's candle on 9/11, this candle is a bullish engulfing candle. So potentially we could have some support right here around 17 bucks. If it continues to stay down here, then you could definitely use a tight stop below the low of 9/11, and that could be your stop. Entry you could use above today's high. If it just consolidates somewhere around this candle, if you wanted to wait and see, okay, maybe I'll wait and see if it is able to retest down here. There's another entry down somewhere around the low of this candle. So that's pretty much how I would look at it, in terms of potential entries. Zooming out a little bit here, on this bullish engulfing candle, we could have a stop here, entry somewhere within this candle. You could have a couple of targets, or even if you wanted to scale in, you can see that this stock, actually it's a partnership, I should mention that as well. I'll cover the taxes on a little bit too, but you can see here there was some rotation right around 18 bucks, so it was trying to hold the support, but lately it's been resistant at 18, so that could be your first target. Second target right around $19. So so that's pretty much what the setup is. So entry, somewhere above 16 if you wanted to wait for a retest somewhere below, and then stop below the low of 9/11. I would say ultimate target up around 19. But yeah, just to give you an idea, this is a little bit of a unique entity because there's some things. So that's pretty much the setup if you want to stop there. But tax-wise, I do want to let you know that this is a partnership. It's not a corporation. So where that might be relevant is, they send out K1 forms, tax forms. The deadline for those is a little bit later if you do wind up buying the stock. So it's more of a direct distribution. So like this has about a 7% yield to it as well. So hope that helps, and hopefully I'll see you in the room. Take care. Hi, this is Dave with the Stock and Options room of the ShadowTrader Live Trading Suite. If you want to trade 0 DTE options live and in real time with me, click the link in the description below. I wish you good trading, and I'll see you in the room.